Hi fam, and welcome back to another one. It is another kitchen video. Today we are making a sour cream sauce. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Just don't go anywhere. What you're seeing here is butter. Some butter I added to the hot pan, melted, and here I am adding my diced onion. I would like you to tell me at the end of this video and if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section, okay? I'm adding some spices of my choice. What I added here are spices, white pepper, I have ginger, garlic. That's just a few things, and this Italian mixed pepper or something like that. Just use any spices that will go good for you, okay? Of course, what you're seeing here, there are some bacons, okay? That's the sour cream. Use any mark of your choice. I would like to use this opportunity to remind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, help us to grow, please. Just click on the subscription button and don't forget to put on the notification bell. That is the only way you can know when we have any new videos, okay? Thanks so much, and share out this video for the others to learn this recipe. It's a recipe that is very good. Kids like it, adults like it, okay? So share it out. You can use it for anything. We majorly use it to eat spaghetti or macaroni and all that. So use it for anything you want to use it for, okay? But I am sure you are going to enjoy this recipe. You're going to enjoy it. It is tasty. It is. If you watch, I am tasting, and all this while I did not add any salt. I was waiting for this stage to taste, because you know the bacon has some salt. I've tasted, and I think I need to now add some more spices. This is what is it called? Sorry. I'm adding my salt now. I'm going to put the word there. It just escaped me. Seasoning cube, okay? Yeah, after having tasted for salt, I added a little seasoning cube and my salt. This dried chili pepper is optional, okay? So be careful so your food will not become too salty. Don't add salt at the beginning. While making this recipe, this sauce, you don't need to cover it, because of course by the time you have your sour cream has some liquid, some water, and now you can see I'm adding some mushrooms, okay? You know mushrooms, they are veggies and have some water in them as well. So leave your pot or your pan open, because you need this cream thick and at least thickened to an extent, depending on your choice, okay? And lastly, I have this pepper. They are mixed peppers, okay? I love their taste fresh in my food. Not all food anyway, but in this case, I'm just adding it. And after some few minutes, I think this sauce is almost ready. I'm just going to cook for a few more minutes and we are good to go. Thank you so much for having watched this video. Leave your comments, like, please share it out, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.